Are you a Mac user who needs to run Windows programs or applications? Introducing Parallels Desktop for Mac, the ultimate solution that allows you to seamlessly run Windows on your Mac without rebooting or restarting. With Parallels Desktop, you can easily switch between macOS and Windows applications with just a click, making it a game changer for productivity and convenience. Whether you need to run specialized software, play Windows-only games, or access corporate applications, Parallels Desktop has got you covered. Get Parallels Desktop for Mac now and unlock the power of running Windows on your Mac. Click the link in the description to learn more and start your seamless computing experience today. Imagine being able to run your favorite Windows programs alongside your Mac applications, all on the same screen. Parallels Desktop seamlessly integrates Windows into your macOS environment, allowing you to copy and paste, drag and drop files between operating systems, and even share folders, devices, and network connections. It's like having two computers in one, without any compromise on performance or functionality. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to supercharge your Mac. Click the link in the description to get Parallels Desktop for Mac and unlock the full potential of your machine. Experience the best of both worlds: the sleek and intuitive macOS combined with the versatility of Windows. Boost your productivity, unleash your creativity, and never miss a beat with Parallels Desktop. So what are you waiting for? Get Parallels Desktop for Mac today and elevate your computing experience to new heights. Join the millions of satisfied users who have already discovered the power of seamless cross-platform computing.